As much as
Look.
Right.
I'm getting quite emotional here.
Huh?
Look, Rolly.
40, 39, 38.
Boom.
You ready to cuddle that with you in case
Ready, Ollie? Look.
Look.
Just watch it.
Series of
There's no reason to get a phone at flight and travel. It's too, Dad, I think it's too explosive.
It is. It is.
Oh my god.
Mental. I love me an explosion. Ah, look at the debris coming off it, man.
Want to play golf? He's like, away.
He said away. He's like away.
Away?
Look at the debris coming right across the river.
Oh, it's away.
Oh, it's away.
I think sound goes nearly.
First wee bit would have been an accident.
That's the difference between the speed of light and the speed of sound.
This is the exodus of the cars now.
Aye, I'm going to start watching this. Will be even more entertaining.
The cars, look at them all trying to get out. Look at it. This guy's in the middle of the street as well. What is he doing?
He's making an absolute look.
I hope. Oh no, because somebody else is trying to reverse, so he's having to move as well. Idiots. A few wing mirrors gone, I think.
Right, cloud of dust. Amazing, isn't it?
Imagine when they reach it.
Give for a biscuit.
Oh yes, why not? A celebratory shortbread.
That was
In the other night.
Mental.
Cloud of dust. That's going to be there for a while.
I've never
That's
seen
what I
that
was saying. I
before.
thought they were up with water, did they not? Fire engines and sprayed it so that
I knew it would be, but
Mass exodus of cars. Mental. Yeah, a polis. Aye, way back home we use.
I'm sure that's the light. The light went off, and then about 5 minutes later it went.
Say again?
What?
What did you say?
That was good.
It was pretty awesome, wasn't it? Is that everybody else coming as well? Mum will go and get Ollie.
Did you see
I
it?
did, yes, I filmed it on my phone.
Do it again.
I'll show you, hold on, let me see. Your dad get a video as well. What do you think of that?
Amazing.
Bang!
Just got to say.
I was up on the balcony. Ollie went, ah, away!
Where's the exit?
I kind of want to ask him to turn off his car just so that I can know what.
I know, I'm just like,
Some people know what to do.
indicating, well, safety first.
See, guys, how much
Highway
is
code.
there? Tell us what's going to let you do.
Say it to Callum.
No.
She said, what kind of idiots are there in this world?
I'm glad we left here.
Well, you're learning young, because most of the world are idiots.
But take advice from them. Always indicate.
That is true.
Signal manoeuvre.
Indicating, yes.
Here, they put that on the TV. I don't know if it's a video they took or not, but or if it's the news.
It's probably the news. Probably the news.
Just put his lights on.
He's safety first. He's putting his lights on, it's dark. Yeah, and that.
Right corner.
It must be the news.
That's
It's the
BBC
news.
News.
It's on the BBC News already. No. It's a video.
IOU. IOUs.
Where's everybody else? Where's my mum?
They must have your son. I think they must have stopped
know where she
was.
Alright. I might walk over actually. Sheila, has my mum been by your way?
She went that way.
Oh, did go by the back? I went in the front.
Yeah, like the back.